Good morning students. Today we start a new chapter, HTML forms. Central idea, how does HTML form works? The elements used in HTML form, select tag and form tag. So HTML form is a document which store information of a user on a web server using interactive control. So what is HTML form? HTML form is a document which store information of a user. Do you know how does HTML form work? The user loads the form from his or her web browser. The browser sends request to a web server. Then the user fills the form and click on a submit button. The form submission data is sent to the web server and the web server processes the request and sent a response back to the browser that the form is submitted successfully. The elements used in creating HTML forms are text field, text area, checkbox, input box, radio buttons, list, submit buttons, etc. The information of a user is submitted on a web browser by using these elements. And for creating HTML form, we use a form tag. And the syntax is the form element, form, then in form tag we write the form elements and then we close the form tag. Form tag is also a container tag because if we open a form then we close it. Now next is inputting elements into a HTML form. Inputting means inserting elements in a HTML form where the user can enter data. So it means it gives us a blank text box where we can input users information, and different user input fields can be created by using text field or a text box, checkbox, password field, radio button, submit button, etc. Now different attributes for input tag. Input tag is used for getting information from the user, and different attributes of input tag are: first is type. Type specify the type of the input element, means it is like a text box, radio button, submit button, etc. Next is name. The name attribute is required for each input field. If the name attribute is not specified in an input field, then the data of the field would not be sent at all. Next we have a size. It specifies the size, means how many characters are in the input field. Then we have a value. It specifies the initial value of an input element. Now the most common input elements are: first is a label, and label tag is used to add a label to a form control like text, text area, etc. Label means naming, giving name to a text box, text area, etc. For example, form label 1 label for equals to favorite animal, for label box label tag close, then you write favorite animal, then again you have close the label tag. So for is used with the label tag. Now next we can, same way we can write input name equals to favorite name, ID equals to favorite animal, and we close the form tag. Now it shows like out when you run this you get favorite teacher is the, or a favorite animal is the label name, and we get a input box there. Here you can write your favorite teacher name or a favorite friend name or your favorite animal name, etc. Then we have a text field. Text field is one line input field, allow the user to input a text. It controls the text field controls are created using input element with a type attribute having a value as text, and the default width of a text input field is 20 characters. For example, here we have created one text field from first name BR is for break, then input type equals to text, name equals to first name, again we have write BR, last name, then we have write a BR is empty tag, then input type equals to text, name equals to last name, then we close the form and we run this program. We get two input fields. First is a first name, first text box with a first name, and second text box with a last name. See, first name is the label name and the type is that text. You can type any name into this. Try this example. Same, write this code in Notepad and save it by using .html extension and open it by using any browser. So this try this code today, and this is your assignment. Thank you.